Hey guys, in the summertime, we find ourselves a little bit too tempted to have that bowl of ice cream after dinner in the evenings. So we try to limit our dessert indulgence to just one night a week. So whether we're out with friends or over at someone's house, we enjoy whatever dessert they prepared. But when we're home in the evenings during the week, we try really hard to avoid snacking after dinner because we're just piling on carbs that we're getting ready, that our bodies have to deal with when we get to bed. So I like to have a mocktail in my hand when I'm reading a book, watching TV, whatever it is after dinner to help resist the temptation of having dessert. So I've got 3 great nightcap mocktail ideas for you. First of all, I like something a little sweet. So I get some diet cranberry juice, and this has 2 carbs for a cup. I don't use that much. I use about a half a cup of diet cran. Then I use a sparkling water, unsweetened, no artificial sweeteners, but it just adds a little flavor and it adds some bubbles. And so this makes my spritzer. And then I add a couple fresh or frozen berries to make it fun and really delicious. And so if you have a sweet tooth like I do, that is wonderful. So my husband really likes mint juleps, and therefore a little ginger beers. And so there are diet ginger beers, 0 carbs, 0 sugar, that make a really good base for a cocktail if you don't like something as sweet. So we do a hefty dose of ginger beer on ice, add a little lemon wedge for color, and then we grow lots of mint in our backyard because we put it in everything all summer long. The smell is wonderful, it's fresh and delicious. So that's our mocktail mint julep. And then last, if you like a salad in a glass, which is what you would be served at a spa, I think this is really delicious to take a diet iced tea over ice, add a little bit of a key lime, sparkling water, again to give it a little bit of spritz, throw in a lime and some cucumber slices, and you will think you are sitting waiting for your massage. Enjoy a lovely evening and avoid those desserts.